I'm going to show you how this revolutionary VSL system creates amazing sales videos that can attract leads and make massive sales. And you can even get paid selling videos to others too. Let me show you how this works. So I'm in the VSLCreator app. The fastest way to get started is to use the included done for you templates. Just click on project and then select the template you want to load, edit whatever you want to edit, and click produce to make the video. You're done in minutes or even seconds. Now, if you want to create a VSL from scratch, or you have your own script, you're going to start by picking a theme. And you can always change themes, or you can edit any aspect of it later. Then you're just going to upload, or you're going to paste in your text script. Click OK, and then VSLCreator does all the hard work for you. It creates perfectly formatted slides for your entire script in just seconds. Now, you can just stop there and create your video and be done, but there's a lot more that you can do too. You can change themes in one click to give your video a completely different look and feel, and you can even create your own custom themes. Or you can change any element on any and every slide. So you can change the background. You can add or change the text. You can change the font. You can change the color. You can change the size. And you can even change the kinetic effects. You can add or change images, buttons, effects, overlays, socials, and shapes. And you can add or change a background music soundtrack. You can adjust the volume, loop the playback, and even add a fade in and a fade out. And you can add a text-to-speech voice track, or you can even record your own. And you can add or change the transitions between slides also. Just pick one, click on it, click OK, and it adds it to your project. Editing and tuning your video is super easy also. Just use the drag and drop canvas to move things around anywhere you want them to be. And you can adjust them, you can move them around, you can reposition them, you can resize them. So you can make your slides look exactly the way you want them to be every single time, really, really simply. And with the drag and drop timeline, you can create the perfect flow for your slide. So you click on play, you can preview it.
To make big time sales online.
And then you can adjust the timing of each and every element on your slide just by clicking and dragging to where you want it to appear. When you've tuned it, you can do it in real time, then just click to preview, and you can see exactly the flow of your slide. When you're done, just click produce to create your stunning video, and you're done. Just look at how awesome the videos are you can make with VSLCreator. You can use these videos for yourself, or you can even sell them for 100% profit. No need to pay video editors and producers or waste months learning how to use After Effects. VSLCreator is the easiest and fastest way to make sales videos. Videos that usually take days or even weeks and cost a lot of money now take minutes with zero experience. Create uber fast studio quality VSLs to sell your products and services. VSLCreator does all the work for you in just a few clicks. No video, design, or technical skills are required. So if you want to start getting results, VSLCreator is the perfect software for you to make money.